That's a pretty nice boat, huh? There's another really nice boat. Kind of wishing I was on one of those boats right now on the high seas. And moving further, and there's another nice one. And what the heck? What the heck is that? Oh my gosh, it's a cement factory in the middle of downtown Vancouver. Okay, False Creek, Vancouver, and there's a cement factory in and amongst these beautiful condos, park, trees. There's mine right up there. Actually, no. Yeah, that's mine right in the middle. So I just find this is interesting, right? There are all these beautiful trees and parks and boats, and then there's a cement factory. So what's the point of this video? Well, the point is that cement factory is total cool with sitting in the middle of all this and just being itself. It's totally comfortable with itself. And in fact, it's so comfortable that they even did some artwork on the cement silos where they keep the crushed rock and concrete powder and all that. And you can see over here, actually, you can see there's a barge. There's a barge filling or dropping off or filling up with gravel. I'm not sure which one. And again, we are literally in the downtown core of one of Canada's most beautiful cities. And that's concrete don't care. Just like the honey badger doesn't care, it's gonna do what it does. And the lesson really for actors is, guys, you're never going to be like somebody else. You can't copy anybody else. So what do you have left? Be yourself. I know there's an interesting dynamic personality in there, and all you got to do is let it out, because that's what people want to see. So get comfortable standing out, because if you're not standing out, then you're blending in. And if you're blending in, then you're just trying to not be seen. And actors need to actually do the opposite. They need to learn how to find a way to be seen. Okay, guys, so just keep on getting comfortable with being yourself in every situation. It's a work in progress. Some of you are going to be naturally good at it and others won't. But the thing that's going to unlock your incredible success is getting comfortable with that idea. I hope you liked this video, and I hope you liked seeing the concrete cement factory in the middle of downtown Vancouver. So if you did like it, please give me a comment, ask me for other videos, like, subscribe, share, click the bell for notifications, check out teespring.com/hackhollywood, and of course, check out Hack Hollywood. If you want to work together, I love mentoring actors and getting the most out of them. My most recent success story is one of my clients is now on her way to Atlanta, where she's got herself a position working with a top PR firm, and the number of people she's going to be connecting with is going to be off the charts. And it was very, very simple connection process, and I can teach pretty much anybody how to do it. So there you have it, folks. Love to hear from you. Talk to you soon.